Okay. I win.
Yeah, that's very good. Thing
I
about
win
bubble.
2-1.
Get the
Yeah,
buff.
Dale.
Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah.
Do you have a deck with you?
I'll draw.
Let's go to this one.
I'll play tuning.
Yeah.
And synchro.
Sure.
Effect. Ooh,
That's good for me.
not for me. Play Magical Mallet and 3.
Yeah.
That was a horrible opening hand.
3 vanillas.
Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it's just all mind games. It's like I like monsters or something. Set. Turn.
Draw. Thank you.
Sure. Don't go back row.
How would you mind if I had, like, you know, drawn Lockbird in hand? Add rabbit. Actually.
15 cards exactly in this deck.
Your extract's ugly. What the fuck is bad? Yeah, I skipped it. They're all sleeved for once.
Double sleeve.
Not just any kind of sleeve. Tour guide?
Yep. Dual guide. Zen names.
You have a maxi, drop it now. No maxis?
Dude, it's like a 53 card deck. I can't fit Maxis in without hitting 60.
A max saber. You touch.
Blab it.
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop,
I
pop.
didn't know there was a fox.
I wish there was a fox, that'd be so good.
Everybody asks, what does a fox do? Nobody asks, how does a fox feel?
Because he was special 1-up shark, make both 5.
How are you doing, YouTube viewers? I'll just try and start a conversation here because this turn is about halfway. Oh, or maybe not.
Detach, Shark Fortress can attack twice. Swing.
Search.
Yeah, then 4-8-4-8. No, 2-8-2-8. No, 2-4-2-4.
I'll take
48. I'll set that one too. Yours.
Doing the cards?
Sure. Mate, I've already got this game in the bag.
Mate, if you have a Fiendish Chain, I am screwed. Turn?
Yeah.
If you have a Fiendish Chain, I am screwed. Or MST. Effect.
Sure.
Discard to special summon blue.
Sure.
Ojama magic effect.
Oh, you're going to Dr. Hurricane?
If you have a Fiendish Chain, I'm screwed.
Fuck.
Otherwise, I have ways to work around it.
Are you playing red?
Red, any response?
No responses.
Or torrential. Special summoning due to red's effect.
Yeah. Oh, fuck off.
Overlay.
Why not swing for that 40k?
Because I can make. I might be able to OTK ya.
Oh, fuck off. I get OTK very dumb, it's always so shitty.
Let me just calculate this for a second. So that's 142214. I have a normal sum. Oh yeah, red. How can I do this? detach to create a token. Do I have one in here? Nah, so I'll just use this card as a token. It's 2/6 because 2/2, dude. This guy's effect, because creates a token of the highest attack, so he's 2/2 at the moment due to country swapping the attack and defense, and he gains 400.
Yep.
Banish.
You summoning a BLS.
BLS.
So it's this.
2/9. Sorry, 2/9. 1/4. 2/2. 1/4. 2/6.
That's a no TK. Fuck me.